Unraveling Exit Point, your guide to understanding this English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the meaning of the phrase, exit point. It's a term you might encounter in various contexts, and we're here to clear up any confusion. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this interesting phrase. The phrase, exit point, refers to a location or moment where someone can leave a place or situation. It's like the door you take to step out of a room, but it can also be a metaphor for a point in time where you can exit a process or event. Physical locations. In physical spaces like buildings or highways, an exit point is a clearly marked place where you can leave. Think of emergency exits in a theater or exit ramps on a freeway. Projects or processes. In projects or processes, an exit point could be a stage where one has the option to stop participating or end the engagement, like a milestone in a contract where you can opt out. Conversations and meetings. In discussions or meetings, the phrase can refer to a moment when it is appropriate to end the conversation or leave the meeting. Stories and events. In narratives or events, an exit point might be the climax or a turning point that leads to a resolution. Let's put our phrase to work. The meeting had no clear exit point, and it dragged on for hours. Notice how it indicates a missing opportunity to end the meeting. Don't confuse an exit point with an entry point. One is for leaving, the other for entering. Also, remember that an exit point isn't just physical. It can be metaphorical or temporal. And that's a wrap on exit point. We hope this video has shed light on this versatile phrase and added a new tool to your language toolkit. Keep exploring English with curiosity, and you'll continue to make great strides. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.